Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to properly use MSSC Sailor DD 7446 E data terminal. So I will explain definitely one by one. First column file. So we go to file, moving escape from keyboard escape and escape, going to file and then press enter. There has the new data. It is you want to send message, it's going to new data, yes, and then anyone you can write there escape fine. Other one new ESC2. This new ESC2 also you can write anything. There's also new data and then just for low file it you have some seed file, so you can load from that file. Is there has the my low file inside, yes, this low file inside because they had I already sent Lesma dear Captain share code something. So this for our emergency our internet is cannot apply well, so that's time I will send a message to company and then I say they had they're going to low file. It's you want to escape and then just for low file. Now if you want to say going to say, do you want to replace 802501 or anything? If you want to say or no, and the other one print test, print that also it your emergency must be connected to the printer, and also they has the you can print and delete and also anything. And now my printer not connected on or no printer, no paper on print. Press escape to continue. Is your printer and is some problem or paper not applying, so that's that some error. So that's time press escape to continue. And then this for print file and print tell also print does mean from screen display print that also can print, and also print file is you want anything you can select and also enter. So there has the print file and you can or enter to print. That going to directory. The directory mean from you have this directory. This directory mean you have file name and also your data site and time date. Something is there also saying around your low file almost same. So this directory mean from EGC message and also some any message you can see from the directory. And then about me for this emergency Sailor version and also transceiver version. This me Sailor version and also this one for the transceiver. This transceiver for this transceiver version and this one for this Sailor version. Press escape to continue. And then if you want to choose on right, you can right arrow, that arrow you can see anything. So going to right arrow take it. You want to just cut mean also shortcut key shift plus delete, and also you can use shift plus delete, and also this message can be deleted. And then another one copy control plus INS. This also if you want to copy or direct copy press enter or and then control plus INS also you can use this copy and paste clear. Clear means that delete, and also the going to and then delete work. If you want to delete what autoplate, just autoplate F3 So there also can you, and also you can use from there enter and also delete can use. Arami delete line. Time insert me order play F5 or for example I want to time insert is enter. So they have that auto coming to this time insert. And then according to you want to position insert also choose to arrow down arrow key and then position insert and then this position insert you want to dial order key plate order key plate and also FC function set that can press, but anyone you can choose from edit and also position insert and then enter. Now also position latitude longitude and also that is already insert. And then search. They search me and you can search for example test. Search for test. Enter. So gonna find test. You will find say to the head and also you can search from this for test. You can find this for search. Can search and then replay. Replay also you want to something replay. For example, you want to replace something, you can put the sun walk. Okay. This ceramic is margin. You can choose any margin and also stated line inserting ASC2 or tailored or save with. Say anyone you can choose there. Now I already the choice margin 69 and then if you want to choice margin 70 possible 70 and then other one ASC2 and tailored anyone you can choose is you want tailored also possible and ASC2 also possible. So now I already complete file already complete file edit complete. Now you are already this message already prepared is you can send message going to transmit and then enter. So there you can choose this to who you want to send any owner or management or any station. So there you can try this address and email. This for land station. For example, going to me you can send anyone. So that's time you want to choose going to space bar. There has the our company. So I already choose to this Ocean Coin. It's also you want to check anything you can try that email address and then going to land station. Also there has the telecom 04 front telecom Stracon anything. It's you can choose anyone. So I already tried the telecom Telenor 01, so it's okay. And then going to and then this for that in editor is you are this file also die me you press it also you can send file address. So there has that you can find together can attach and they had your message routine or non-urgent or distress. So they had for routine, so you can choose the routine. It distress or anyone you can try the distress, but normally this message for not distress message. So that's time didn't choose the distress and then record confirmation. So that's for also confirmation also needs to request confirmation. So I already tried and then it's your message also direct print or you can try the print and then immediate transmission. So your message want to immediate transmission, so you can try that immediate and then it's up prepare complete. So that's done and done. So that's done. You are email address to send the message. This for transmit, and going to log. This log have transmit log, receive log, and etc log. So you can see transmit log going to under. So there has the display to your transmit log can be display your monitor. Under receive log going to under receive log. Receive log also, if you have any receive log, you can see any receive log on your monitor display, and also etc log and a crew log. etc log also etc log or something you can see your monitor display, and then old log file. This old log file and new log. This so they had the log, transmit log, receive log, and etc log, and going to destroy. This destroy mean it you have say some destroy. So just time you can destroy less setting going to under, and then now LAN station. You can try LAN station. Anyone? You can try LAN station space bar, because this LAN station try you from here you can see space, okay, space bar. So there's so many LAN station. Anyone you can choose. So now I will say. And now I already arrived at India Ocean, so they had the India Ocean LAN station. Anyone you can choose, and then anyone you can try. Under this latitude and longitude also this already automatic display in that emergency, because this GPS already connected this emergency, so you can see this latitude, longitude, and also code and speed. Also updated UTC also this automatic updated to the GPS, so didn't choose anything because automatic updated to the GPS, and then easy. You have say it, for example, you have say it's fire or flooding something, you can try the grounding or collision. It you have say it's grounding, okay. You can try for example collision, or you can choose collision, and okay mean going to okay, and then also press the enter. But and this does not send to destroy alert, it only said destroy message. You mean you must transfer from the button to send destroy alert, press schedule. So that's that you already destroy alert setting is there had the you lip cover and also pressed at least 5 seconds, so they had the message sent to the destroy message. So this destroy you can see the destroy alert setting already, destroy alert setting, and then it's clear destroy indication. It you some mistake to the destroy destroy alert that send message to that time, you can clear the destroy alert indication and go to that clear destroy indication and also press enter. So there's the clear destroy indication, and the right position mean this for our sheet accurate position display to the emergency. Because of this emergency must be connected to GPS, so GPS position latitude, longitude, and also UTC is updated, stated is updated, okay. And then going to option there the scan is our website want to scan India Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or any region, you can see the ocean and also scan under. There's the scan which region you want to choice. So now our website right there India Ocean, so I already tried the India Ocean and also press the under. Now also let's go now scan. Okay, and then second one from log in. There's log in also log in and scan me is the all region also, but the best satellite also automated can receive. This log in mean this log in is your vessel is alright anywhere is Atlantic or Pacific or India Ocean, anywhere you can try. So now already India Ocean, so I'm press escape to press enter to the India Ocean. And then the other one for log out. Did log out me, so you want to log out, so that's time you press to you try to log out and also press enter. Other me about transmission. About transmission is and this about transmission as secondary serial port is not need to important. And then second one the secondary serial port. Secondary serial port and this close or command mode. So I didn't try this secondary serial port. Log and free. That's no problem. Now already tried the India Ocean and also emergency. So green signal is the signal is the strong signal, and also this emergency every weekly, monthly, and before departure test must be understand this lane test. Must be understand also this lane test. The lane test I already test Sunday. That's Sunday, May 09, 09/18/31, 2025 UDC ma or UDC. I already tested this limited, and also is everything is okay. So that's page you want to print, going to print and also press the enter. The limited must be that every weekly before the chart and also every monthly. And then the transceiver stated. The transceiver stated me this one. The transceiver stated also you can check this one our this for hardware and also software version, and also everything is that you can see everything. So this one 104 hack and also 4 cents. This for hardware and also the second one for software and serial number and also mobile number. And also now before region is the India Ocean for this for the transceiver about the transceiver. Okay, and also second one for GPS stated. Other one for test move. The test move. You want to test the in front of the transceiver, in front of transceiver had the disturb pattern. So you want to test the disturb pattern. So that's time you can try the test move and also choose to test move and press enter. And you so cancel test move or yes. So they have the you can hear the test move the sound second. So now cancel test move. Okay, yes. Now this disturb pattern is working. This for test move. Press okay. And then configuration. There the configuration EGC first EGC and had group. This group EGC means for NAVDAC. So they had the additional NAV area. NAV area is 11. So but member say alright there Fujairah. So they had the region 8. So you can check the region 8. Okay, and coastal area 1. The coastal area 1 mean you can try this from now member say arrive from here Fujairah. So they have the Muscat and this area for this area you are Persian cut. You can try the Muscat Mike and then Foxtrot Alpha Bravo. So they had the Mike Alpha Bravo Foxtrot and so they had this area. NAVDAC area station is there already inserted. And so and nav area 1 you can try is nav area 1. If you want to try nav area 1, okay, and going to other also meteorological 1 speed, and also no need to select the ice report and service and Rescue Corporation is you want to choose a speed, and also meteorological focus, okay, speed, and other additional navigation warning. Okay, speed. Now already tried. This for additional nav area A, and also this for navigation warning area from already inserted under, and you want to try any message, so they already tried under. Going to okay under. Now I already configuration to EGC. Second one routing under, and then routing me, you try this me EGC system, EGC free net, EGC safety net, EGC safety net, routing safety play agency and distress. So and anything you can select. Okay, and then other one position report. The position report data is there, or reporting data reporting, and then this for ANSI channel. ANSI channel mean near coast station. Near coast station channel. Now I already tried this coast station channel. ANSI channel. They had the NID channel. The NID channel. There is the we. You didn't know this one is also no problem, because or this for only for service provider for the must be no, but we didn't know is anything, no problem. And then this for internet mail. Internet mail for land station, and also this is for Pacific Ocean region, Indian Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean region. What Atlantic Ocean region is this for land station, for this for internet mail setting. So we cannot use is okay. No, this the other one for password. If you are emergency, they had that you can try that this password also anything password, but never change that you are emergency password, because it's, you can sign out another second website sign out, and there as there it he didn't find your old password, so let that problem, so you never change this password. And that's one terminal mode. The terminal mode also you terminal mode mean anyone you can try any message and also can be said. So escape. That's one application. This application means that Selassie. It you are try Selassie anyone. You want to try Selassie, so they have the F2 or direct press to F2 or application under to press to if possible. And then other one attribute. Attribute mean you are attribute, and also you want to contact any contact, you can select, and also you can add new contact. And then directory. Now reading directory. Directory mean they had any EGC message, and also they had so many message. They had can see the directory. Other one system. System also same. Attribute system directory also almost same. So they had completed. So I can explain one. Fine. They have that you can try the any new message, new tailored, and also you are load message, and also any old message you can try the file. At the active mean your message can be delete, copy, paste, and also position insert, time insert. Anyway, you can try adapt. Transfer mean it any message you already prepare and also can send. This for transmit. Log. This log means log have the transmit log, receive log, and EGC log. Destroy. The destroy mean they had the destroy alert setting. Is for example you have some destroy, so that's time you can edit your destroy alert setting and also press to destroy button. The other one for position. Just position means you have alright position. Also you have must be show accurate position. And then other option they had the second log in, log out, your region log in, log out, and also they had the must be important must be understand, very important to the limb test. The limb test every weekly, every monthly, and also before Tabacha must be understand and limb test and how to do. Must be understand the limb test, very important for second officer. And the last one for configuration. This configuration also they had the EGC routine and position. We must be try this EGC and also routine. The position report means this position report for automatic send to the LRID. So we no need to do this position report and also this the other. We must be understand EGC and also routine. There also we can try the EGC and routine. This for application mean attract book direction system and also now or completed. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share to my channel.